I want to let you in on a little secret. Yeah, don't tell the organizers, but what we're going to do is called a fake-off. Are you guys, you up for this? So we're going to do one song and you guys are going to go one, or encore, however you feel like expressing yourself. Don't tell the organizers though, because we want them to think you want us back. You in on this with me? Alright. We got one more song! Oh no, we got... Can you feel it? Come on, baby. Woo! Woo! I feel like a woman. Thank you, good night!
Oh, yes.
Oh my god, I'm so surprised! You guys want one more song? Alright, y'all gonna have to get a little closer. No, all of you. All y'all sitting down on your seats, it's time. This is the one last song of the night before Hurricane 4 get on. And what kind of job would I be doing if I didn't get you ready to dance?